Hi, I'm Peter Sidwell, California Prune brand ambassador. Now, welcome to my kitchen. I am going to make a beautiful chocolate cake. But what I'm going to do is remove half of the fat, and I'm going to use California prunes. I'm going to blend them up with butter to create a prune butter, which as a result allows me to reduce the fat that I'm putting into my recipe by 50%. And I've still got great flavour. I'm also able to reduce the sugar a little bit by about 20%, so because of the prunes that we've added into the butter. So all in all, we've made a real impact on the amount of fat and sugar that goes into a beautiful chocolate cake. And here's how I make it. So if you want to make this recipe, go to californiaprunes.net. You'll find the recipe there along with loads of other recipes that show how you can get California prunes into your cooking.